Here by unity, resilience, vision, standing firm, charting its path, nation anchored in independence, symbolized by guardian of dignity and progress. Through projects like the Karuma Home and energizing a nation ready to transform. As well as the electric bus good promise of a faster, stronger economy. From these foundations we have built rises a new era of industrialization where Uganda adds value. Through innovation and development, we have built not only modern roads, but an
Those are the drones right there, quite many. They are making a pattern. Wow, that is an aeroplane, I could say. That's an aeroplane. Such a wonderful display. The plane, they're showcasing a plane flying into the spaces, but this time around the drones have made that very possible. Blessing being displayed. This is quite interesting, though we were told it might only last for 15 minutes. Done. Playing They're displaying another. That could be a hospital. That is the health sector. We can see a female symbol. When you see that plastic, see it on ambulances, and even when you are going to hospitals. These are the themes probably that will grounds. You started with the country, you have seen the NRM party symbol, that is the bus, and of course watching the screens, you can see those green beeping lights. Those are the drones making patterns to ensure that they visibly here. You must have been good at photographic interpretation. I can see individuals looking up at it. To you who is watching UBC, this is the first of its kind, and this is the display history that has been made on this specific day of May 2026. While the drones are still forming up, another before it was NRA, now the National Resistance Movement. That is the party's logo. That we are witnessing today. We shall be also having updates regarding this on all our 11 radio stations and the 4 TV stations that make up the Uganda Broadcasting Corporation. That is, and from the background I can hear the noise from the citizens. That is several right there. Spaces. And right there with the person you're seeing there was declared winner in the recent general elections with over 7 million votes, representing 70. And by the way, that is his official portrait that is being displayed there. What it's interesting. It's indeed interesting. Thank you for trusting us, and indeed from 8:30 to 8:40 to their, I call them airfields. Maybe something else is still to come, but here we are. Loving your country. What you hear in my background is a drone returning back to its airfield. something else, to protect the gains. That is the theme that the NRM government chose to drive the country. Very amazing. Zooming it in a little bit. Maybe for those who are following us on our social media platforms, you could comment from which side have you been watching this from. Probably we are still watching many other. Main event is going on the 12th of May 2026. What has with in this country? The health sector, the airfield, that is the map of the NRM party bus, and of course the theme protecting the gains, and as well reminding you that tomorrow on the 12th May now for that event tomorrow, there are quite a number of presidents who have already arrived. Hassan Mohamud, we witnessed the arrival of Felix Tshisekedi, the President of the Democratic Republic of Congo, then Aski Selassie, Ibrahim Gali, the President of Sahrawi, and the Prime Minister of Equatorial Guinea, and the Prime Minister of Rwanda, both will be Kenya, Kiture Kindiki. But as well, tomorrow we have learned that the President of the Republic some sorts of technology being displayed here. Some drones are still in the space, maybe we have come to the end of the showcasing, but this is the first of its kind as we head for the presidential swear. Fireworks being displayed there. we are still witnessing fireworks here. To where the swearing-in ceremony of President-elect Yoweri Museveni. The skies have been filled. All of us should be patriotic. We should love our country to steer it forward. Earlier on, I told you various head of state have already arrived in the country. 71.6%, and the second runner-up managed to get 24. High-profile national event expected to attract thousands. Some of the roads will be affected. I hope many of you are well aware of some of the routes of the very, very important persons. Tomorrow is also Uganda broadcasting. We shall be giving them unto you right from where you're seated. Could be at work, could be in your sitting room, or anywhere. For watching, I want to hand you to the front bench for many other deliberations regarding what the next 5 years will look like as the president.
Any fireworks